Hi, I'm Ruth from Rubetti, and we're on day 4 of the 6 days to a calmer you. Hopefully, you or your teenager have tried days 1 to 3 and are feeling better, or have found something that works for you. But don't worry if you're still kind of feeling a bit like, I don't get this meditation stuff. Meditation is about being in the moment. It's just witnessing something that's happening right now. And that's why I've used the senses, because it brings you dead into your space and dead into the moment that you're in. So day 4 is all about smell. Now, you could get fancy with this. Scented candles, some nice aromatherapy oils, but it doesn't have to be something that you go out and buy specifically for this. Think about your favourite smells. Could be some candy, could be a coffee, could be your favourite aftershave perfume, could be what your mum wears or your dad wears, and it brings you to a moment in time. This week I have been spritzing on my perfume, and that has made me feel so much better because I just like how it smells. And that's what today is all about. Find a smell that works for you. Think about that smell and just allow yourself to be in the moment while you're smelling it. Close your eyes if you wish and just experiment with different smells. Let us know how you get on in the comments below, and I'd love to hear your answers. Thanks very much for joining me. I'll see you tomorrow on day 5.